Accidents can happen anytime, and when they do, having a reliable dash cam can save you from serious trouble. Whether it's proving faults, preventing insurance scams, or just keeping an eye on your car while parked, a good dash cam is no longer optional. It's essential in 2026. In today's video, I've tested and researched the top 5 best dash cams of 2026, ranking them from number 1 to number 5 based on video quality, features, reliability, and overall value. Make sure you stick around because depending on your needs, whether it's night driving, full coverage, or budget, one of these could be perfect for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 4K plus 4K dual dash cam, front and rear. Standing out is this powerful dual 4K dash cam, capable of recording both front and rear in true ultra-high definition. This is where things get serious. Most dash cams drop resolution on the rear camera, but not this one. You're getting 4K on both ends, which means crystal clear footage from every angle. License plates, road signs, and even small details remain sharp even at higher speeds. The 170-degree wide-angle lens ensures you capture more of the road, reducing blind spots. It also includes built-in GPS, which tracks your speed and location, extremely useful if you ever need legal proof. And thanks to 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, transferring footage to your phone is fast and smooth, no more waiting around. In real driving conditions, this dash cam performs exceptionally well during both day and night. The parking mode adds another layer of protection, monitoring your car even when you're away. Pros: true dual 4K recording, excellent clarity in all conditions, fast Wi-Fi connectivity, includes 128 GB card, reliable 24-hour parking mode. If you want the best of the best with no compromises, this is easily the top dash cam in 2026. Number 2. REDTIGER F7NP. This is the REDTIGER F7NP, a dash cam that really shines when it comes to night performance. What makes this stand out is the SONY Starvis 2 sensor. If you drive at night, you'll immediately notice the difference. Footage is brighter, clearer, and has significantly less noise compared to standard dash cams. Combined with WDR technology, it balances light and dark areas perfectly. You're also getting 4K front and rear recording, along with built-in GPS and fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for quick downloads. Night driving, poorly lit streets, and rainy conditions, this camera handles them all impressively well. Pros: best-in-class night vision, high-quality front and rear recording, strong build quality, free memory card included. If night clarity matters to you, this is one of the most reliable dash cams you can buy right now. Number 3. ROVE R2 4K Pro Dash Cam. Now we have the ROVE R2 4K Pro, a solid upgrade over the standard version. This dash cam records in 4K UHD at 30 FPS, delivering sharp and consistent footage. It may not have a rear camera, but it focuses on doing one job really well: front recording. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes transferring videos quick, and the app is stable and easy to use. It also supports up to 512 GB storage, which is great if you record long drives. In daily driving, it performs reliably with minimal issues. Setup is simple, and it's a great set-it-and-forget-it type device. Pros: stable and reliable performance, easy-to-use mobile app, large storage support, good value for money. A dependable mid-range dash cam that offers excellent value. Number 4. 4K plus 2K plus 2K 3-channel dash cam. Here we have a 3-channel dash cam system designed for maximum coverage. This setup records front in 4K and both interior and rear in 2K, giving you complete visibility inside and outside your car. This is especially useful for Uber, Lyft, or taxi drivers, where monitoring passengers is just as important as the road. It also includes dual-band Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and a G-sensor for automatic incident recording. It's a powerful system, but setup can take a bit longer due to multiple cameras and wiring. Pros: full front, rear, and interior coverage, ideal for rideshare drivers. Includes 128 GB storage. Strong safety features. If you want complete surveillance, this is the best option. Number 5. ROVE R2 4K Dashcam Wi-Fi 6 version. Now we have the ROVE R2 4K Wi-Fi 6 version, a budget-friendly but capable dashcam. It still offers 4K video recording, built-in GPS, and now upgraded Wi-Fi 6, which improves download speeds significantly. It's compact, easy to install, and perfect for beginners. For everyday driving, it gets the job done without any major issues. Setup is simple, and it's a great set-it-and-forget-it type device. Pros: affordable price, fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, simple setup, reliable performance. A great entry-level dashcam for those on a budget. That's it for today's video on the top 5 best dashcams in 2026. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. You'll find all the product links in the description below so you can check the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching. Stay safe on the road, and I'll see you in the next one.